Ain't that strategic by God? There's people that I have called that you can walk behind, that are walking the road that I've set them on. They've paved the way. They are trailblazers. Come on. They are now in my alignment for what I am getting ready to do. And he showed me you have to stay around leaders that can look past the conditional aspects of those who come under their care. Those that they know who are called to walk with them. Come on. The ones who are broken and distraught. He said that they would see past their current condition because they would contend for the finished work.